Hi. So I just got done doing a project using glitter in a spray gun, and I realized I've never talked to you about doing that. And so I thought I would. So what I did today was a lacquer with glitter mixed in. And obviously, for those of you who are professional sprayers, you know that when you have glitter, in lacquer that it will tend to settle. So it's nice to spray it in one of the small sprayer cans instead of pulling from a bucket like you would with paint. Instead, using the small ones so that you can give it a good shake every so often, and actually more often is better because glitter really will settle pretty quickly. So giving it a good shake, but that's not really what I wanted to talk to you today about. What I wanted to show you is an image that is of a nozzle and the glitter, and talk to you about what flake sizes you can actually run through and some of the rules connected to it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up that image, and then I'm going to talk to you about it. Okay, here we go. Hey, so what we're going to be looking at here is a close-up picture of a spray nozzle. Alrighty. And this will be the outside, and this is the inside where the material actually comes out. Okay, so there are 3 different sizes of glitter put on the front of the nozzle, just to give you an idea. Here's the 0.015, which is what we consider the fine. And this hexagon right here is that size. And you can see how big it is. I mean, it would really clog the nozzle if you tried to run fine through that nozzle. The next size is the 0.008, which we call the ultrafine. Ultrafine would run through it, but again, if it was, clumping up and, too much of it was put in, you could see where that might be a problem. And the 004 would run without any issues at all. The general rule for spraying glitter through a nozzle like this is that the smallest opening in the unit should be approximately 3 to 4 times the size of the glitter particle. So if down here you are, working with an opening that's smaller than the large nozzle in the front, then you need to keep that in consideration. So again, the general rule for spraying glitter through a nozzle is that the smallest opening should be approximately 3 to 4 times the size of the glitter particle. Okay, so that's the rule in terms of spraying. We will get into the types of glitters that are okay for lacquers and so forth in other videos, but for this particular one, I just wanted to kind of go over particle size. All right, so that's it.